Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. In other stories, UK-based businesswoman and socialite Olinda Chapel has announced the closure of a charitable foundation in Zimbabwe, saying she's stepping back from philanthropy to focus on her children following a personal hardship. In a statement, Chapel said she had funded years of community work from her own resources, including feeding the homeless, paying school fees, supporting families during COVID-19, and assisting vulnerable children. She said the decision to shut down the Olinda Chapel Foundation was made with a heavy heart after her heart and spirit were broken. Chapel asked the public to stop sending a request for assistance, saying she could no longer help others while her own daughter was suffering. She said that she was not seeking sympathy or recognition and expressed hope that someone else would continue the work she had been doing. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.